Coming to the next is our KVM functions for our AVCiT system. So our AVCiT system have our built-in KVM decoders for the KVM functions. So for the built-in OSD, so we can see AVCiT logos. So for the operators, we can double click to log in by our account. Search for my account 001. So after we log in, so we can get into the main page of the KVM. So in the get menu, so we can see all the video sources far away from our data centers or server room. So there are more than 7 pieces here, so we can see and preview in the real time. And we can manage the layout for the monitors of the operators, just like one screen, full screen, drag and drop to access different PC. So, and also beside that, we can do the multiple layout, just like 2x2 to monitor more PCs and sources. Just like we can switch different PC to control and monitor. Besides that, we can also do the customized layout, just like we can create the layout by columns and rows. So just like 4x4s. And then if we need to combine some area, we just choose it and confirm. Or combine it and confirm. So next time we will show in here the new layout. So we click it and we can choose our sources to control. Yes, besides that, we can also do the preset for the different layout for these two monitors. So if we need to record different contents on the video wall, just like this one, 2x2, and this full screen, we can easily to record the presets by one-click use, or use the hotkey, Ctrl+S. So we switch and preset 3, use it. Preset 4, and then we try to use the hotkey Ctrl+S for the preset 2, Ctrl+W for the preset 3. So it's very convenient and user-friendly for the end users to switch their contents to control. And then we also can do the video wall, built-in video wall features inside our KVM console. So for the LED video wall, so we can control by switch a full screen. Just drag and drop, just easily to drag and drop to switch any sources. And then also match the layout 1x2 or 3 mode, zoom in and zoom out. It's very fast and convenient. And besides that, we can also fix it for these two areas. So change the customized layout, so we can, after that, we can select the other signals to display on the fixed area. Yeah. So for one operator, we can manage more than 1 or 2. So with multiple monitors, we can manage by only one keyboard and mouse. So if we use this one, we can see the mouse here. This red frame that's showing our mouse is locating which area and the monitors. So after we move from the left to the right, so we can see the monitors with 4th red frame. So that means in this PC, we can also see the small red frame, so where we are controlling. Yes. Okay, thank you.